Sa lab 3 naman natin is gagamit tayo ulit ng AI kasi hindi ko maintindihan na lang mag-gets nanigamit na lang ako ng AI para explain niya. Then ito binigay before testing SQL injection, try to default credentials admin. Then admin, try natin admin. Then na-try ko na rin kanina. Tapos makapag-login na ako sa kanya is tawag doon, if it login this minute authentication na exist, is may na yung security niya kasi pwede mag-login basta same siya sa try natin din mo password so yun na ganyan. O nga, if same lang naman siya sa username is maglalagin siya kunyari is and try natin hindi admin is makapag-login pa rin siya. Security authentication exists. Nag-i-exist na siya sa database. Okay. Then only from this legal testing site like Altoro Matual, go to login page, then the user enter, then try natin to. Ay, copy yun, then kinaka-copy paste ko lang. If the password, enter anything, password 123, click sign in. If the authentication and login is at admin, this happened because always evaluates true, allowing access without valid credentials. Is yung itong nag-i-exist na rin sa database, then ito password admin hindi pa siya nag-i-exist. And next is select from username, SQL natin username password, then this happened because or and 1 equals to 1 is always evaluates to true, allowing access without valid credentials. Then with you submit login form, the website like runs SQL query like this, then select ito yung query niya, then we're injecting this username, select from sources. Since 1 equals 1 is always true, the query logs in without verifying credentials and no password. Hindi siya makapag-login din. Verify credentials. Try entering this can return username password. Database is not to fix this issue, website will be used. Prepare the statement in their code. So hindi natin mailalagay ito kasi hindi naman natin mayroon tayong Altoro Matual. Tester na lang natin. Pwede pa tayo mag-edit users. Admin joke. Wala yan eh. Ano ba sabi ba dito? Recording, demonstrating SQL injection Altoro website. Start by setting a screen recording of OBS. Sure, but microphone. Recommend you will show your face while explaining the process of your browser. Navigate auto right once everything is ready. Recording your screen, the video, something like in the video will demonstrate how SQL injection kasi ano ba, ah sa statement na to, sa SQL injecting, nag-inject tayo ng or 1 equals to 1 is equals to always evaluate the true, allow access valid credentials. Then before testing SQL injection, try default credentials admin if it lags in this mean authentication exists. Nag-exist na tong username and password nila. And then try natin ulit natin to. Copy, control copy, paste nyo na. Okay, paglagin tayo yun lang yung pagkakaintindi ko.